In this video, we're giving Mohammed 2 ideas for a tools shop logo. The first one's got a little bit of tools, and we used a font that is very similar to tools so that it goes hand in hand with what the shop is all about. And the second one, also the font is quite cool, and we're using graphics as well to replace some of the vowels. Is it the vowels? The O's and the A's. Oh, I went to school years ago. Anyway, so join me. Let's create. So you're going to create a blank canvas. I'm going to make this a little bit large, and you're going to go to your elements and you're going to search for tools in order for you to design a tools one. And you're going to go to graphics and you're going to search for the tools graphic so that we can have it on our design. This graphic. So if you click on your eye, the name of the graphic is Construction Repair Toolbox. It's done by G Studio Imagen 2, and they are the ones that created this graphic. So you just size it quite nicely and you park it on the side, and then you press T in order for you to add text. So the text that looks a little bit similar to tools is this one called wire 1. So, and you just make the name of the shop. You go AJ's. I don't know what the name of the shop is, Mohammed. I went with AJ's because I thought of AJ in my head. Anyway, so you add more text. Align it quite nicely, and if you want to have your text, the spacing of the text to be a little bit closer, you go to letter spacing and then you move it a little bit closer together, and then you align your toolbar, get a little bit big. Last thing, you add one more text, which is the wire 1, and you change that to shop. You could also add your tagline over there. It also works quite nicely. And your first design is done. You could highlight everything, group it so that you're able to move it and align it so that it's in the center. You could also make it a little bit bigger if you want to, but there's your first design. For the second one, you're going to go to your elements and you're going to go to your lines and shapes. You're going to scroll down and you're going to look for a thin border that you can use for your design. Like this thin border with lines outside. I see tool shops a little bit rugged and not like your girly kind of establishment. And I'm going to change color for this one and make it white. And then this is the first layer. You could lock the layer so that it doesn't disturb you. And then you're going to add your text, and I'm going to add a heading text, and I'm going to add the name of the company for our establishment. I've decided it is AJ's. I'm sure Mo, you can use whatever name you want. And then you go to your fonts and you change it to major mono display. Once you change it to major mono display, it starts picking up the way that the font is created. And it makes it quite a nice kind of a font and a design that you're trying to achieve. Then you're going to duplicate or add more text to add the second layer of your text. So this is 131. The second one, we're going to leave a bit of space because we would like to add those screws as part of the design. We're still going to change the font to the major, and then it starts picking up that nice kind of a design that beautiful font has. And we're going to make it same size as this one. You need to have same size. So let's reduce that one to 125, increase this one to 125, and we have a seamless design. Last thing, you're going to add those 2 O's as part of our design. So we're going to go to elements and we're going to search for screws. These ones. So you click on them once. If you click on the I, it will tell you that it is a work cooperation company gears. Oh, they are gears. Hey, gears business multiply line by Icon Z. And you can then adjust them, twist them around like that so that they form part of our design. You can even change the color of them to whatever color that you want. If you're happy with the color and the design, that is your second design. So all you do now is you download both your designs, you jump in on Photopea and you convert them to 3D. With a transparent background. We're going to download page 3 and page 4 as a transparent background. When you jump in on Photopea, you're welcome to use your own PSD file and you can go from Open Computer, but we're going to use the PSD templates that are already there and we're going to search for them via mockups and we're going to use this one. We click where it says photopea.com. Once the mockup has loaded, you double click where it says your logo here. You hide the group, you drag your design, and you size it the way that you want to size it. You go File, Save as Smart Object, and you click Logo Mockup. And there's your first design. It looks quite stunning and quite different. I like it. And you're going to go File, Export as PNG or whichever format that you want to use. Let's do the second one. You do the same, hide your group, drag the design, size it, go File, Save as Smart Object, and then you click where it says your logo mockup once and your design is established in 2021. Mo, there you go. Let us know in the comments below if you like your inspiration. I'm happy to be your muse. Thank you for watching today. If I'm adding value, please don't forget to smash the like button. You can watch the next video where we slash the text on our logo so that we create an amazeballs logo. I will see you on the next video.